She ate cucumber every day, and then everybody noticed that she has changed. Here's what happened. First, you should know that this super healthy vegetable is in the same plant family as squash, pumpkin, and watermelon, the Cucurbitaceae family. Like watermelon, cucumbers are made up of mostly 95% water, which means eating them on a hot summer day can help you stay hydrated. And now, we're going to show you the reasons why you should eat cucumbers all year long. With vitamin K, B vitamins, copper, potassium, vitamin C, and manganese, cucumbers can help you to avoid nutrient deficiencies that are widespread among those eating a typical American diet. Plus, cucumbers contain unique polyphenols and other compounds that may help reduce your risk of chronic diseases and much, much more. 1. Antioxidant properties. Cucumbers contain numerous antioxidants, including the well-known vitamin C and beta-carotene. They also contain antioxidant flavonoids, such as quercetin, apigenin, luteolin, and camphorol, which provide additional benefits. For instance, quercetin is an antioxidant that many believe prevents histamine release, making quercetin-rich foods natural antihistamines. Camphorol, meanwhile, may help fight cancer and lower your risk of chronic diseases including heart disease. 2. Digestion and burning fat. Cucumbers are rich in two of the most basic elements needed for healthy digestion, water and fiber. Adding cucumbers to your juice or salad can help you meet the ideal amount of fiber your body needs, 50 grams per 1,000 calories consumed. If you struggle with acid reflux, you should know that drinking water can help suppress acute symptoms of acid reflux by temporarily raising stomach pH. It's possible that water-rich cucumbers may have a similar effect. Cucumber skins contain insoluble fiber, which helps add bulk to your stool. This helps food to move through your digestive tract more quickly for healthy elimination. Cucumbers are very low in calories, yet they make a filling snack. 1 cup of sliced cucumber contains just 16 calories. The soluble fiber in cucumbers dissolves into a gel-like texture in your gut, helping to slow down your digestion. This helps you to feel full longer and is one reason why fiber-rich foods may help with weight control. 3. Bad breath. Here's what you need to know. Well, placing a cucumber slice on the roof of your mouth may help to rid your mouth of odor-causing bacteria. According to the principles of Ayurveda, eating cucumbers may also help to release excess heat in your stomach, which is said to be a primary cause of bad breath. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.